If one word could describe the RLWP combat station, it would be versatility. Its modular design lets the military customize its equipment based on specific missions or needs. The RWP accommodates 7.62mm machine guns, 30mm cannons, and various missile launchers, including Javelin and Hellfire. Non-lethal options are also available, such as electronic warfare systems or grenade launchers for smoke, light, and stun ammunition. Being platform independent, it can even mount on robotic combat vehicles. The US Army already employs these systems, and as of September, the British Army has followed suit. Adopted by the Turkish military in 2022, the Sungur system offers an alternative to the American Stinger. It can neutralize low-flying targets within an 8-kilometer range. Highlights include its shoulder-fired capability, compatibility with land, sea, and air platforms, and a missile flight speed of 825 meters per second. The Boxer is a highly adaptable family of armored vehicles suited for diverse applications, such as command operations, medical support, and infantry combat. It can even function as self-propelled artillery. When equipped with this module, the Boxer becomes a recovery vehicle. Let's begin with the winch. It delivers a pulling force of 200 kilonewtons, making it effortless to move tracked vehicles. During loading, the Boxer operator can rely on the crane, capable of lifting up to 20 tons. This mode's stability is bolstered by specialized supports. Now let's examine the armor. It adheres to STANAG 4569 Level 5 standards, which means it can withstand 25mm armor-piercing projectiles fired from 500 meters and the detonation of a 155mm fragmentation shell at 25mm fragmentation shell at 25 meters. The Patriot Trimos mortar system is tailored for current and future combat demands. It combines a compact design with a remarkable rate of fire. This system can be mounted on 4-core 4, 6-core 6, or 8-core 8 trucks, thanks to its advanced hydraulic pneumatic recoil system. Compatible with 81 and 120mm NATO ammunition, the Trimos can begin firing within 60 seconds of deployment. It delivers 15 rounds per minute and has a 7-kilometer range. Additionally, integrating it into the battlefield management system enhances its effectiveness in hit-and-run tactics. Imagine a van carrying a large improvised explosive device. This alarming situation is often referred to as an LVIED, or Large Vehicle Borne Improvised Explosive Device. To neutralize such threats quickly and safely, experts use the MLVD system. This system generates a high-pressure water jet capable of cutting through the vehicle and its explosive wiring. It safely neutralizes explosive barrels without triggering detonation. The MLVD is employed globally, not only for disarming explosives but also for tasks like breaking down walls and doors. Its versatility and effectiveness make it indispensable for experts in the field. The Gorgon X-8B drone specializes in reconnaissance and munitions delivery. On a single charge, it remains airborne for 55 minutes, covering up to 8 kilometers at speeds of 54 kilometers per hour. Equipped with a 10x zoom camera using EOI technology, it combines electro-optical and infrared sensors. Clients can also request customized payloads. The Vision 60 from Ghost Robotics is a robotic dog that's as rugged as it is versatile. It can traverse swamps, climb stairs, navigate icy terrain, and endure sensor obstructions like mud or water. Equipped with a smart balance system and a robust power reserve, it can run for 3 hours on a single charge, remain in standby for 21 hours, or travel 10 kilometers. Additionally, it survives 30 minutes underwater at 1 meter and functions in temperatures as low as -40 degrees Celsius. All critical components, from its legs to its sensors, can be replaced in mere minutes, making it a marvel of modern engineering. EOTech markets its Binon VW night vision goggles as ultra-modern, compact, and lightweight, and the features back that claim. With a 47-degree field of vision, these goggles outperform rivals by up to 7 degrees. They are built to endure, capable of surviving 1-hour dives to depths of 20 meters. Additional features include diopter adjustments ranging from 2 to -6, a single AA battery power source, and a weight of just 500 grams. However, all these features come at a cost a steep $4,300. Key features of the Rocus bomb disposal robot include a top speed of 20 kilometers per hour, 10 hours of operation on a full tank, and a 4-meter-long mechanical arm. Designed for handling mines and IDs, it can perform precise tasks such as unscrewing parts or cutting cables. Built on a tracked platform, Rocus can adapt to different roles, switching between bomb disposal and mule configurations as needed. Its open architecture system allows for easy customization. Known as Object 55, the GSP-55, or self-propelled transport ferry, is a Soviet-era design created to carry tanks, self-propelled guns, and similar vehicles. With a payload capacity of 52 tons, it features an innovative design combining 2 fully independent semi-ferries. The right ferry uses a 193 horsepower right-turn engine, while the left one employs a 225 horsepower left-turn engine. Remarkably, its construction incorporates parts from multiple tanks, including the T-34. When fully loaded, the ferry cruises at 8 kilometers per hour in water and reaches 40 kilometers per hour on land. With a power reserve enabling 20 hours of operation in water and up to 500 kilometers on land, the GSP-55 remains impressive. Many models are preserved and continue to captivate audiences in museums and events. Modular combat system caters to both military and law enforcement needs. It can remain concealed in a pickup truck's cargo bed and deploy in just 30 seconds. The standard design features portholes and observation windows, offering NJ3 level protection. This ensures it can resist fire from 7 62mm weapons at a range of 15 meters. The manufacturers emphasize its low cost and minimal maintenance requirements. While we can't confirm the latter, the price is $9,500. Furthermore, its modular structure facilitates customization with mission-specific equipment. Facing asymmetric threats like drone swarms and low-flying supersonic missiles, advanced defense systems are critical for naval forces. The Thales Artemis system is already in use by 4 navies and offers several advantages. Firstly, its advanced sensors provide 120-degree coverage with a single camera, whereas other systems typically need 8. Artemis can track up to 200 targets simultaneously, ranging from missiles to drones and tanks. It also excels in emission-controlled environments, keeping the ship's location hidden from enemy reconnaissance. The Turkish army received the FNSSGZPT armored personnel carriers in the early 2000s. Though reliable, these amphibious vehicles are now due for modernization, with upgrades planned for 52 units. improvements will include enhanced suspension, engine and transmission systems, alongside advanced electronics and air conditioning. There's also talk of equipping a twin-barrel unmanned turret adaptable for 7, 62-core 12/7, and 40mm calibers. Post-upgrade, these APCs will be renamed the GZPT-1, maintaining amphibious capabilities and achieving water speeds of up to 3 km per hour. CAMSS Shelters specializes in top-tier portable military shelters, earning the trust of NATO members. The shelters are organized into series for convenience. The Q series, for instance, is celebrated for its swift setup. A 20Q shelter requires only 4 people and 30 minutes to assemble, offering 60 square meters of usable space. Meanwhile, the X series stands out with straight-walled shelters tailored for purposes ranging from hospitals to sanitation. One example, the 60X shelter, boasts an impressive 557 square meters of usable space. Beaverfit has carved a niche in creating innovative training systems, such as portable gyms housed in containers. Their clientele spans both civilians and military organizations. For the U.S. Special Operations Command, they developed this tower. It offers various training functionalities, navigating confined spaces, improving rock climbing skills, and practicing parachute-free landings. For heightened realism, the tower can be outfitted with additional modules. Saab's latest addition to its tactical electronic warfare lineup, the Sirius Compact L20C, is designed for tracking and classifying communication signals. This sensor can locate drone controllers or enemy radio stations, covering frequencies from 20 MHz to 3 GHz, extendable up to 6 GHz. Weighing under 25 kg without batteries, it's suitable for vehicle installations or backpack use. Leonardo and Blue Halo are consistently refining and presenting their drone neutralization system. Starting with a Striker APC, they equipped it with an array of weapons. Beyond the standard 30mm automatic cannon, the vehicle also carries 70mm laser-guided missiles. However, the standout feature for combating drones is the Locust laser module, boasting 26 kilowatts of power. This enhancement allows the APC to target drones at altitudes of up to 5 kilometers, even if they're moving at speeds around 60 kilometers per hour. Furthermore, it excels in electronic warfare, incorporating both the Titan QS and Titan SV systems. At the International Land Forces Conference in London, Elbit Systems unveiled their latest innovation, the E-Lynx SR. This tactical radio, designed for infantry, supports all NATO frequencies in the EU and SANS ranges. The device features Blue Force tracking, showing real-time locations of friendly and enemy units. Its user-friendly interface includes voice-activated menus and multi-language support. Additional features include push-to-talk functionality and MIMO technology, ensuring stable communication. The E-Lynx SR also facilitates MUMP scenarios, enabling seamless interaction with unmanned aerial vehicles. These capabilities make it an invaluable tool for maintaining communication and situational awareness. The Defentex team has revolutionized UAV technology with their compact drones. These drones retain traditional capabilities such as reconnaissance and target acquisition, while also functioning as barrage munition. Their innovative design is foldable and cylindrical, enabling them to be launched from 40mm grenade launchers. The manufacturer even plans to develop drone variants comparable in size to 12-gauge cartridges and 81mm mines. Currently, a standard model offers a flight time of about 20 minutes and a range of 15 kilometers. In a swarm, these drones could pose significant challenges to opposing forces. The Drone Gun Mark IV devices appear like they're straight out of a science fiction film. Yet, they're very real, playing a vital role in drone warfare. What makes the Drone Gun Mark IV unique is its small size. It's compact enough to operate with one hand, weighing only 3.2 kilograms including the battery. Despite its portability, it delivers a significant punch. This device operates within the ISM and GNSS frequency ranges, capable of targeting drones from as far as 1 kilometer away. Even against swarms, it proves effective by disrupting control and signal transmission for multiple drones simultaneously. To top it off, the Drone Gun Mark IV can be ready for action in just 3 seconds. This Humvee, featuring an innovative wheel-to-track system, can tackle any terrain. When speeding on solid surfaces, it uses standard wheels, but when it hits softer ground, the tires convert into triangular tracks without even stopping. The vehicle retains a standard Humvee length of around 4–6 meters, while the motors built into the wheels deliver top-notch acceleration and maneuverability. Each 50-centimeter wheel contains an advanced system with 3 gear stages and thermal regulation, ensuring that no rough road forces a retreat. This electric buggy can even impress the most experienced soldiers. It's renowned for its off-road capability, maneuverability, and array of high-tech gadgets. For example, on the roof, it features a remote-controlled machine gun that fires 6,000 rounds per minute. At the rear, there's a platform for a reconnaissance drone. If an enemy ambush arises, the buggy's 555 horsepower engine and 322-kilometer battery range are quite handy. It reaches a top speed of 95 kilometers per hour and can carry up to 635 kilograms, enough for 4 armed men. The Nikola Reckless electric buggy can handle almost anything, just avoid driving it on the beach. The Storm Rider 4x4 from Plassen stands out due to its advanced security features. It can transport up to 10 passengers while providing full protection against ballistic threats, improvised explosive devices, and mines, meeting STANAG standards. To ensure passenger safety and comfort, the vehicle includes a blast-deflecting V-shaped hull, floating floors, T-bar footpads, and energy-absorbing seats. It's equipped with a robust and dependable powertrain, a permanent 4-wheel drive transfer case, and a monocoque hull with multiple gun ports. It can also be fitted with an optional combat module, allowing passengers to respond to external threats. People can exit the vehicle swiftly, within seconds. With a gross weight of 11.5 tons, the Storm Rider offers ample space to transport both soldiers and cargo to any destination. This personal vehicle is sure to catch the eye of any paratrooper. Meet Mosfera, the world's first military electric scooter, introduced by the Lipan company Global Wolf Motors. Designed for various purposes like patrolling, border control, reconnaissance, and even evacuating the wounded, this scooter draws inspiration from mountain bikes and boasts a robust, meticulously crafted frame. Its front and rear suspension, combined with 17-inch off-road tires, make it adept at handling all terrains. The Mosfera is equipped with a powerful 10,000-watt electric motor and a 90-amp Panasonic battery. This allows it to reach a top speed of 100 km per hour and cover distances up to 300 km on a single charge. Impressive, right? The battery is engineered to operate in temperatures ranging from 60 to -2 degrees Celsius and includes overheat protection. Weighing 74 kilograms, the scooter is capable of carrying a soldier weighing up to 200 kilograms. While other titans like Atlas Shrugged are spinning their propellers, the May 26, the largest mass-produced helicopter in the world, can lift a whopping 20 tons of cargo. Its maximum takeoff weight is an astounding 56 tons. With a fuselage over 40 meters long, almost half the length of a soccer field, it's powered by Loto Rev D136 engines, capable of reaching speeds of 295 kilometers per hour and covering up to 800 kilometers without needing to refuel. Built for rapid transport of troops and equipment, its cargo compartment can comfortably accommodate 82 people with gear. If this giant ever enters commercial service, it might give Airbus a serious run for its money. The all-terrain vehicle is the ultimate choice for those in need of exceptional off-road capabilities combined with minimal maintenance costs. Thanks to its 5-speed manual transmission and fuel-efficient diesel engine, it navigates rough terrain with ease. The cabin boasts 2 rows of seats, providing comfort for both driver and passengers. With a payload capacity of roughly a ton, there's also an upgraded version that includes a winch and spacious trailer. With this powerful machine in your hands, you can confidently take on any challenge that comes your way. The International Armored Group's JAWS APC made its debut in the United Kingdom at the International Armored Vehicles Exhibition and Conference. Notably, this vehicle is exclusively available to government, military, and law enforcement agencies, a testament to its reliability. This reputation is likely due to IAG's extensive expertise with over 2 decades of experience in manufacturing armored vehicles. Let's shift ours itself. This vehicle has become highly sought after by military and law enforcement agencies across the globe, proving to be. It is particularly renowned for safely transporting troops in high-risk conflict zones such as Iraq and Africa. Built on a heavy truck platform, the APC comes with a turbocharged diesel engine and a state-of-the-art system. It can be ordered in both right-hand and left-hand. Here's another personal vehicle for military use, the UBBCO 2x2's electric bike. With a 1 kilowatt motor in each wheel, it excels at handling wet roads and navigating corners. Its 3.1 kilowatt-hour battery allows the bike to reach speeds of up to 50 km per hour and cover distances of 120 km on a single charge. For added convenience, it offers ample cargo space, featuring a 12-liter center compartment and a 30-liter rear compartment, providing a total payload capacity of 150 kilograms. And yes, the UBBCO 2x2s is available for anyone to purchase, priced at $7,000. This Jeep once conquered rivers and ravines, but now it's a top-tier hot rod. Sometimes, decommissioned military vehicles undergo incredible transformations, as is the case with this one. Transformed by Dan and Arts Customs, this Humvee is fitted with a Hellcat V8 engine that cranks out 717 horsepower. It stretches about 4.5 meters in length, and the front wheels are deliberately smaller than the rear, giving it a more aggressive appearance. Disc brakes ensure safe stopping at high speeds as well. With its unique triaxle configuration and lowered stance, this Humvee has skyrocketed to Instagram fame, making other vehicles perhaps a bit envious of its coolness. Their standout feature is the multi-mission portal system, capable of launching both manned and unmanned vehicles from the front compartment. Their stealth is so formidable that enemies might only realize the submarine was there after it's completed its mission. Furthermore, the Blekinge-class boats show heightened resistance to underwater explosions, with tests even being conducted with a full crew on board. This vehicle, created by the Geocinch Rider Group, stands out for its air transport capability. Its compact size allows it to be parachuted from an aircraft. The vehicle's exceptional off-road performance is enabled by mechanical locking differentials and a tight turning radius. With a payload capacity of about 900 kilograms, it can carry an additional 400 kilograms when using a trailer. The Rider can also be equipped with 2 7.76 caliber machine guns and tow a Mo 120 RT mortar. Overall, the Geocinch Rider is highly suited for defending forward deployed positions or supporting rapid airborne troop deployment. What you are observing now is a UAV with personnel on board only for support. The team is currently testing the AQ system, developed for the US Marine Corps by Aurora Flight Sciences. This innovative system enables a standard helicopter to be converted into a drone with ease. The AQ's package consists of sensors and a control module, allowing a large helicopter to be operated using just a regular tablet with a specialized app. The entire system is compact, fitting within a container measuring 30 by 30 by 60 centimeters. The only requirement is for the helicopter to have an electric remote control system. Thank you for watching today's TechNew video. If you find these technological inventions useful, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to see more shocking content. Share your thoughts about these inventions in the comments section below. See you next time.